These are my top 10 tool deals for Amazon Prime Day. You don't want to miss not a single one of these. They're awesome. Let's go. If you want to check out any of these tools today, I'll link them in the description and the pinned comment to help you find them easier. Let's get into these deals. Starting off with a bang, this is the lowest price this set has ever been. This is the DeWalt 20 volt max, 5 amp hour battery, a charger, plus the XR router and the XR jigsaw. I have this router, absolutely awesome router. I think this will sell out. This is regular price, $331, down all the way to $249. Again, the lowest price this has ever been. If you need this set, pick it up today. Next up, DeWalt's 20 volt max XR oscillating toolkit. 3-speed, you get a battery, the charger, and the oscillating tool, all the way down to $99. Retail on this is $219. This is a popular tool. A lot of people love this thing. You got to check it out if you need it. Before we get to the rest of the deals, I want to make you aware that I am posting deals all day long on my website, 731woodworks.com. Click on that tool deals button and you're going to see the Prime Day deals pinned right here at the top. If you click in that, I am updating this continually throughout the day today and tomorrow, July 16th and 17th. There is a ton of deals here that I can't cover in this video because of the length, but you got to check all these out if you're interested in tools and saving money, because there's a ton of money to be saved. Next up, my favorite storage racks. I've got 2 of these in the shop. This is the Bora PTO Mate wood organizer and lumber storage rack. Retail $70, all the way down to $42. Again, I've got 2 of these loaded up. Each one of these levels can hold 110 pounds each. This thing will hold a bunch of lumber. I like mine. Next, I've got 2 options for miter saws for you if you're in the market. The Skil 10-inch miter saw, retail $249, all the way down to $189. This is a good, solid option if you're in the market for a budget or entry-level miter saw. Dual bevel, sliding, compound miter saw, it'll do it all. This is a perfect beginner miter saw. I recently got this in the shop, testing it out. It's a really nice saw for this price. Also, I've had this saw, or this model saw, since 2017. This is a DeWalt DWS 779, probably one of the best miter saws on the market. Sliding, compound, dual bevel, and this one comes with a free stand, a $229 value, and this is $200 off. So you're basically getting $429 off of this deal. $399. This is a solid deal. This is at Lowe's. There are a ton of deals going on all over the internet today. I'm going to be posting them in that deals post that I stated earlier, so you can find them all in one place. I got some more amazing deals coming, but if you're not a Prime member, I do have a link in the description that's going to get you a free trial so that you can sign up, you get your Prime membership, so you can take advantage of all of these deals. Let me show you a sander deal that I love. This is probably one of the most requested sanders I get to review. I have yet to pick it up. I may pick it up today. This is the Bosch 6-inch sander. You get like, what, 40-something% more sanding surface on a 6-inch versus a 5-inch. It's weird that it's that much, but it is. This is a Bosch 6-inch again. The retail on this is $329 for Prime Day, brings it all the way down to $209. A lot of people send me messages, tell me, I got to check this out. Today may be the day. You should probably check it out too. Now, if this is outside your budget, one of the best sanders under $100, in my opinion, is this DeWalt sander. It's regular about $82, all the way down to $49. This is a steal at $49 for this sander. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed in this one. This is a sander of a different type. This is a drum sander. This is the only, as far as I know, the only benchtop drum sander that I've been able to find. This is Jet's 10-inch, 1 horsepower, 115 volts. You plug it into a regular outlet. Drum sander. I bought this myself this morning. I've been having this in my cart for a while, y'all. This is $879 on retail, $604. $604 for a drum sander. I had to do it. I bought it. If you need a drum sander, especially if it has an open side on the left, so you can run wider boards through it, turn it around, run them back through the other side, I had to do it. I couldn't resist. Before we get to the rest of the deals, we also have a Prime Day sale going on our website for our plans. We just put together this beginner bundle, perfect for the beginner woodworker. You can get 20% off any of this stuff, board butter or Chronicle. If you need to keep track of your orders and your projects, perfect for that. All of our plan bundles, all of our plans, all of our board butter, everything on the store, 20% off. Just use the code PRIME2024 at checkout, 731woodworks.com/store. I love this tiny square. This is DFM Toolworks small square and center finder. I just showed this in a video. It's like one of my favorite tools, under 30 bucks. And now 20 bucks. You can get this for 20 bucks. This is a solid, well-made, made in the USA square, perfect for checking the ends of chisels or center finder, also inside boxes and small parts. Like, this is just a really handy little square to have. And for 20 bucks, it's a no-brainer to pick up today. Winn's got some stuff on sale today. You know I'm a fan of Winn tools if you watch this channel at all. This is a Winn drill press. I have a Winn drill press myself, had it for several years. Really nice tools. This is an 8-inch drill press, regular $134, all the way down to 97 bucks today. Under $100 for a drill press like this is a good deal. If you're in the market, check it out. If you need a bigger drill press, I have several posted on my deals post. Again, go to the website, click on the tool deals button. I've got them all categorized out so you can find them easier. But if you need a bigger drill press, check that out. Next up, we got several router deals here for you to choose from. Depends on what you're looking for in a router or the brand you like. This is the Bosch 1617, 2¼ horsepower. This is one of my favorite routers, especially for that plunge base. I also have this in my router table. Just a great all-around router. Retails $249, down to 198 bucks. It's been on sale for 198 bucks for a little while, but at this price, this is a solid router if you're in the market. If you need a router table and a router combo, I reviewed this on the channel quite a while back. Solid option. I wasn't a huge fan of the fence for jointing, but for every other operation, it's perfectly fine. This is a really good deal. Regular $199 down to $149. I believe I gave $199 for it when I bought it. So if you're in the market for one of these, good deal. However, if you want one of the Bosch benchtop router tables, they're also on sale. I posted those on the website. This is probably one of the better budget options for a trim router on the market. I reviewed this on the channel as well. This is a Vevor. It comes with a fixed and a plunge base. Retail is 68 bucks, which isn't bad. This is only 45 bucks. If you need a spare trim router, you just want to put a round over bit in there and leave it, or a chamfer bit and leave it, this might be a good option. This is a corded router. There is a cordless option, but it's a different brand. Craftsman's coming on, y'all. They've been putting out some really cool tools here lately. Cordless tools, brushless motors. This Craftsman brushless trim router with 2 batteries, 2 4-amp-hour batteries, and the charger is only $149. Retail is $215. This is a good, solid deal. I keep saying solid. This is a solid deal if you're in the market for a cordless trim router. This is perfect. Perfect just to put a bit in there and leave it and have a dedicated router for something like that. Or if you're a beginner just getting started, you need a good budget router, check that out. And with those routers, you're going to need some router bits. This Bosch set, this 30-piece set is on for 94 bucks. Retails $110. So you're getting a little over $15 off, 16 bucks off of this 30-piece set. Pretty much covers any bit you're going to need starting out. Roundovers, chamfers, dovetails, flush trim. This covers it all. Good solid option here. Flush trim saw. I recommend this thing all the time. And at this price, pick it up. 13 bucks. Retails $25. If you don't know what these do, basically you can cut small parts and things like that, but I love them for trimming off dials. If you ain't got one, get one. Next up, lasers. If you've been in the market for a laser, today may be the day. There's several models here for sale. I'm going to touch on 2. This is the X-Tool F1. This is basically a portable laser. These are perfect if you need to just take it around the shop or not take up a bunch of space. It's a little pricey, but we got a better option if you're not in the market for something like this. This one is $1,800 on retail. Right now it's $1,399, so you're getting about $400 off of this. If you're in the market, check it out. Also, the X-Tool D1. A lot of people love this laser. It is regular 1065 all the way down to 855. This one does come with the rotary kit, so this is a good option for you if you need a router to put customizations on your products. I recommend these all the time. These are positioning squares. I call them clamping squares. They are perfect. Well, you can use them as a square, but they are perfect for putting 2 pieces together. I'll use them a lot of times when I'm building cabinets and things just to hold that 90 degree while I put a pocket hole screw in there. These are really good options. Retail on these $36 all the way down to 23 bucks. And I think there's a 5% clickable coupon you can click before adding it to the cart. If it's still there when you get there, that's 5% more off. Craig has got a sale going on as well. This is a Craig K4 pocket hole jig. Retails $99 all the way down to $65. Great pocket hole jig if you're in the market, especially when you're starting out building cabinets. I've built tons and tons of stuff with pocket hole joiner. These are just absolutely amazing, especially for beginners. Just a good option for you. 65 bucks. Wind has a couple of dust collectors on sale. This one has the induction motor. There's another one I posted on the website. You can go check it out. This is a 15-gallon bag dust collector. Retails $219, 151 bucks. If you don't have dust collection in your shop right now, this might be the way to go at 151 bucks on a mobile stand, so you can roll it out of your way or between tools and things. It's worth checking out. I don't ever want you to pay full price for tools. Be sure and sign up for my text alerts for tool deals. All you got to do is text the number 731-207-7151. I text out the best of the best tool deals. I won't text you late or super early, and I won't spam you, but you got to sign up so you don't miss those deals. Also, be sure to sign up for my free masterclass where I share with you 3 steps or 3 strategies to go from zero to profitable in your woodworking business, and you get a free pricing guide to help you price your woodworking projects. If you like this video, you got to check out that one right there. Clicking that box gets you the big old virtual fist bump. Go check out those tool deals on my website. There's a bunch.